Hey guys, so we've been talking about theft deterrent. There's been some thefts of these Type Rs, Integra Type S's, and other vehicles. So in my previous video, I talked about how to install an OBD lock. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. But in this video, we're going to talk about a steering wheel lock and why you should consider getting one. And some people wonder, well, is it, thieves can easily take it off or whatever. But you know what? If you add many layers of protection to your car, chances are they might leave your Type R alone. They might move on to a different vehicle because they're going to see that your Type R it's going to take some extra work to really to get after it. So and also you do want to consider that OBD lock. If you haven't watched my video, check it out. I show how to install one of those, so check out my channel. Let's go, let's do this. All right guys, so check it out. So we got the steering wheel lock on. You could see the way I installed it sideways, so that way when you're getting in and out of the car, this piece right here doesn't get in your way, because if you install it right here, you're gonna keep bumping into it. So make sure you have it in sideways, or at least for me, I found that pretty helpful. So, but yeah, the knee doesn't hit when you have it installed this way. So let's talk about how to remove a steering wheel lock. So the nice thing about it is it's got a really nice lock. But anyway, you just put the key in. Just put the key in, boom, boom. That's it, you're done. You just turn the key, boom, you're done with it. And then you just throw it to the side. So yeah, nice and quick and easy job. Like that, that's how you install it. Real nice and easy, right? If you are interested in the steering wheel lock, I left the link down below. They got different colors. They have red, black, and yellow. And like I said, these are only 30-40 bucks, so they're not expensive. So definitely check out the links down below in the description. I also left the link down below for the OBD lock if you're interested in one of those. And make sure to check out my channel and watch that video on how to install the OBD lock and get some more information on that, because that's definitely I think that's one of the better protections, because if they can plug in that cloning device to your OBD lock, they're going to be able to start your car and drive off with it. So you don't want to give them that opportunity. So yeah, check out that video. If you like this content, like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. We're going to do a 1,000-mile review on this Type R, and you don't want to miss that video, because there's a lot of good stuff I want to talk about, good and bad. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see that. If you guys think of anything else that I should do to my Type R, or if there's anything I can do to maybe protect it from theft or whatnot, comment in the comment section down below. I'd appreciate it, because I'm learning about this car, and I'm also learning about what's out there in the market. Maybe there's something else that I haven't considered yet, or maybe I'm not aware of. So make sure to share that in the comment section. And also, I have a video coming up on dash cams. We're going to be installing a dash cam, and I'll show you what product I'll be using for that.